So the basic monkey. If you've watched the tutorial for the monkey prep, you know that we want to be in as deep a squat as we can. The arms start on the knees. We're bringing the arms, sliding them down to one side. The hands come down and the heels start to lift as you bring your shoulders over the hands. And that was the monkey prep. So to do the monkey, basic monkey little step across, your arms slide down on the knees, hands come to the floor, heels will lift, shoulders over the hands, and then you're going to switch the knees. So outside knee comes inside, inside knee goes outside. And then from here, take the weight into the hands and shoulders, hop across, come back into the squat. Trying to go back with the feet on the floor to show that coming back the other way. My arms slide down the knees, hands to the floor, shoulders start to shift the weight over the hands. I switch out the knees and then gently hop across. So keep trying this, hands coming down, shoulders over the wrists, swap out the knees, hop across. Once you feel confident doing this, you can then do the gentle hop across without having to switch in the knees. So the hands will come down, heels lift, shoulders over the hands, and you just gently hop across. Basic monkey. One way, shoulders over wrist, hop across, then the other way. Basic monkey.